Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ready-made Dahi Phulki. First, take your ready-made Phulki and place it in a bowl. Pour warm water over the Phulki, ensuring it is fully submerged. Let it soak for about 15 minutes. This step is crucial for softening the Phulki, making it ready to absorb the delicious Dahi mixture. You'll notice them plump up nicely. Next, let's prepare the Dahi or yogurt base. In a separate bowl, take about 2 cups of plain yogurt. Whisk it thoroughly until it's completely smooth and lump-free. You might add a tablespoon or 2 of water to achieve a pourable consistency. Now, season it with half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, and a small pinch of red chili powder for a subtle kick. Once your Phulki is soft, gently squeeze out any excess water. Be careful not to crush them. Now, carefully transfer the softened Phulki into your prepared Dahi mixture. Stir everything together gently, ensuring each piece of Phulki is well coated with the flavorful yogurt. This allows the Phulki to soak up all the wonderful flavors, making them incredibly tender and delicious. Finally, it's time to garnish and serve your delightful Dahi Phulki. Sprinkle a generous amount of chaat masala over the top for an extra burst of flavor. A handful of freshly chopped cilantro adds a lovely freshness and vibrant color. For the best taste, chill your Dahi Phulki in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy this refreshing and savory treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.